What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is DC Kashan, and today we are joined by a prominent prospect. Hindi na nga prospect patungo ng veteran Kung titignan natin, ladies and gentlemen, Kid Tornado, Fritz Biagtan. Fritz, welcome to the MMA super fan.
Hello guys. Hello guys. Good day, good evening, good afternoon. Kamusta po kayong lahat?
Yan. Ito nga si Fritz Biagtan will return to action at One Friday Fights 86 on November 8 against Sayedali Asli of Iran. Fritz, medyo
Yeah.
matagal mo tong inintay,
Yes.
itong laban na to. May ilang usapan tayo na nasabi mong sobrang sabik mo ng makalaban ulit at maraming hinain sa'yo, pero minsan yung hinahain sa'yo, ayaw magpakain. Lagi na natin sa ganong konteksto. Pero Fritz, finally, you got your opponent from One Friday Fights. Napirma mo yung kontrata and
Mhm.
officially it got announced. How happy are you? Kasi the
Yeah.
last fight was December of last year. Ngayon, after almost a year,
Last year.
yeah, after almost a year, magbabalik aksyon ka. How excited are you? How, you know, kahit pa paano maibabalik mo ulit to set the momentum for your career, lalo hindi ka pinalad in your last fight.
Ayun. So, first of all glory to God kasi nakapirma tayo ng panibagong kontrata dito sa One Friday Fight Night. And
Yeah.
I'm so excited for this talaga kasi it's been like almost a year
Hmm.
since yung last fight natin, and I'm so hungry to pumasok ulit sa loob ng ring. And I also thank God na kasi after nung last fight natin, ay ayun nga, marami tayong natutunan, and somehow pinag-aralan natin kung how to improve ourselves, on how to improve yung mga techniques pa na dapat natin pag-aralan. And I thank God for that talaga kasi we improve a lot, and thank God also sa mga teammates ko, and sa mga ngayon sa Origins Athletics na tumutulong sa amin sa mga game plans namin. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Yeah. Yun nga, speaking of that, because almost a year ka on the sidelines, waiting for that opportunity to fight again, to return to action, and really get
Mm.
that $100,000 contract with one championship. And finally, to enter the main roster. Pero during that span, ano yung mga pinagtuunan mo ng pansin? Ano yung mga in-improve mo during that span? Para lang makita
Mm.
natin yung mga gusto mong mapakita when you return to action on November 8th.
Ayun, so as I explained from my last fight, ayun talaga is a worst condition I ever had na lumaban ako kasi I was 3 weeks na wala talagang tulog, as in like every night I only sleep 2 hours, 1 hour, sometimes pinakamahaba ko 3 hours na tulog. And
Yeah.
syempre, we training hard, so my body is so exhausted. So even though I want to do this execution, I cannot. My
Yeah.
mind is working but my body is not working. So
Mm.
I need to study how to, that time kailangan ko talagang pag-aralan how to control your mind,
Yeah.
yung thoughts mo, yung emotion,
Yeah.
kasi
Yeah.
ang hirap kontrolin So ngayon, somehow during the a year or months na nakalipas, I
Yeah.
studied how to control my body, how to control my mind,
Mm.
na in case na magkaroon tayo ng laban. Syempre kapag may parating
Mm.
na laban na tayo kakaroon tayo ng anxiety, so our mind
Mm.
become parang nagiging intense.
Mm.
So you must know how to control it para mas, alam mo yon,
Mm.
mas alam mo kung paano ka papasok, alam mo kung kailan i-stress yung sarili mo, alam mo kung paano i-relax yung sarili mo.
So more of,
Mm.
let's say, handling the pressure, maximizing the schedule, and also the mental aspect. Yun yung in-address mo
Yes,
during that span. Tama ba?
exactly.
Yan, since nabanggit mo nga, Fritz, yung last fight mo, mabalik ko lang, ngayon medyo mahaba yung pahinga. O sabihin
Mm-mm.
natin kahit though matagal yung sinasabing layoff, pero at least nag-i-ensayo ka pa rin, consistently kang
Mm. Mm.
still you're in good physical shape. Pero yung span kasi nung laban mo between Babar Ali and Deepak Bharadwaj, medyo
Mm.
maikli
Super
Eh
close.
if, I, if,
Oo,
if
super
I'm not
close.
And if I'm not mistaken, ang sabi mo sa akin noon, alam mo, nagbabakasyon kayo ni Denise, biglang inoffer sa yung laban against Babar Ali. Parang,
Oo.
ano ba? Ano ba? Is it part of the decision na parang, ops, dahil sa nangyaring yon, hindi na, ano na ako hindi na ako pwede sa ganun na late notice eh.
Parang ganun kasi ang nangyari parang syempre kakatapos mo lang ng laban so your body needs to rest, your mind needs to
Mhm.
rest. Padrop na yung ano mo, yung
Click.
utak mo, yung
Oh,
katawan mo, yung padrop na yung peak tapos biglang boom. Tapos syempre from bottom biglang mong pipilitin na pa.
mm,
So
yeah.
ayun na stress yung mind tsaka yung katawan natin but
Mm.
it's not an excuse kasi ayun nga kailangan natin pag-aralan how to control our body and mind.
Oo. Fritz, of course, syempre, ang ini-expect ng lahat during that fight against Babar Ali was you were that close. You were that close from getting the contract eh.
Mm.
Paano mo siya tignan from your perspective after it? Paano mo kinonsole yung sarili mo because you were that close eh.
Mm.
Did you regret or mas tinitignan mo yung parang sabihin natin yung silver lining from that experience from that fight?
Ayun, syempre as a person, a normal person, syempre
Mm.
maiisip mo talaga yung negative eh.
Oo.
Bakit ganito, ganyan,
Oo.
ba't kasi ganito ang
Yeah.
ginawa ko, ba't kinuha ko yung laban, parang ganyan.
Oo.
But inisip ko yung positive side na, yo, you need to learn. You need to learn how to control your mind. You need to learn how to control your body. And
Yeah.
tingnan mo maigi yung laban
Yeah.
mo. Ano yung mga mali na nagawa mo?
Yeah.
Like, the whole 3 rounds, you're always on the bottom. What are you doing? Parang ganun nangyayari na,
Oo.
o nga, no, anong kulang sa akin? So,
Mm.
from that, kailangan kasi, ano yun mo mag-isip ka ng positive side, wag palagi negative. Kasi pag negative, parang isipin mo na, ay, parang wag na kayo lumaban.
Yeah.
Parang ganun, di ba? But,
Mm.
pero pumunta ka sa positive side na, uy, I still need to improve this. May chance pa ako, parang ganun.
Mm. Mm. Speaking of being positive, mahirap din yung nag-aantay ka. Maraming ino-offer sa'yo, pero hindi ka nilalabanan.
Ah,
Buti hindi mo hiningi sa one na parang, ay, nakalabanan ng mga tao sa One Friday Fights. Bakit di nyo na lang ako elevate?
kaya nga, ayun na nga. Well, ayoko mag-ano ayoko parang sabihin kasi ang yabang naman nito ni Fritz. Pero,
Ah,
kasi, ewan ko, hindi tayo ganun we still always, we keep
ah,
ourselves down muna. Kasi
ah,
mamaya, pag
ah.
pinilit natin yun, baka doon pa tayo. Alam mo
Oo.
yun. Pero, during that time na mga ganong peak na, kunyari, bibigyan ka
Yeah.
ng schedule, but
Yeah.
then makakancel.
Mm.
May mga progression ako na,
Mm.
kung ano, parang, kada ibang kalaban I need to adjust this movement, I need to adjust this game plan yung isa namang kalaban grappler naman so I need to adjust
Mm.
yung game plan parang
Yeah.
oo nga parang mas yung sa panahon ngayon as me mas
Yeah.
more on striking talaga so
Oo.
ngayon yung butas natin is yung ground game so
Mm.
I need to focus more on ground game kasi yung we as a Filipino
Yeah.
meron na tayong
Striking. Yeah.
inborn na tayo yung
Ah,
striking
yeah.
So, andyan na yan. Parang
Mm.
naisip ko nga, o nga, no, andito na to Focus kaya
Ah,
muna tayo sa ground game. Yun.
ah,
So, the whole year, alos parang this past few months,
ah.
puro ground game, ground game.
Mm.
Sobrang sarap din sa pakaramdam na wala talagang
Mm.
katapusan yung learning ng sa
Ah,
MMA, lalo na sa grappling.
yeah.
Sobra.
Yun, speaking of grappling, kasi itong makakalaban mo na si Sayedali Asdi,
Ayun,
or yeah, from Iran. Obviously,
yeah.
meron siyang wrestling background. Do you think
Mhm.
talagang meant to be na makalaban mo to? Dahil yun nga, nabanggit mo kanina, talagang
Oo,
yung earnings,
oo.
it
Yeah.
opened a new facet for you. Kahit sabihin
Yes.
natin matagal kang nakasadlak or sabihin natin matagal ka on the sidelines. Pero
Mhm.
parang meant to be para sa akin sa kwento mo
Oo.
pa lang.
Oo, para siyang meant to be talaga na parang, sige, dahil nag-focus ka sa ganito, ititest kita kung nag-improve ka
Mm,
ba o hindi.
mm,
Parang
mm,
ganun nangyari, parang ganun binigay sa akin ni God ngayon na dahil sa mga hard work na binigay, na ginawa mo, eto, bibigyan kita ng testing, mga ganun.
yeah.
Let's see
Fritz,
how you improve.
yeah, Fritz, speaking of test, kamusta yung scouting report mo dito kay Ashley heading to
Oh,
this fight? ano yung nakikita mong advantages niya apart from wrestling? Ano yung mga dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin on November 8?
Ayun, masabi ko lang, he's a really good fighter. He's well-rounded. Yeah, ang ganda ng ano niya, ang ganda ng wrestling niya.
Mm.
And I'm expecting na mas mahaba din yung range niya kasi feeling ko mas matangkad siya na onti sa akin.
Mm.
And parang mangyayari niyan, parang naulit yung nakaraan. I mean,
Oh,
maulit yung same, parang same
oh,
galawan ng last
ibabar.
opponent ko eh. But
Oh,
oo, kaso nga etong kalaban ko mas
yeah.
malayo yung shoot niya this time. So
Mm.
he's shooting from range, long distance range. So
Oh,
we expect talaga na once we use our striking,
mm.
magsushoot yan eh. Yun lang
Oh.
yun yung expect ko madalas.
Mm. So, Fritz, yun nga, do you expect na talagang magpo-focus siya on the ground? Or would you welcome it with open arms kung sakaling, wala, let's stand and bang.
Ah, I think I think hindi ako nagyayabang pero I think he cannot take our striking kapag
Mm.
nag-focus siya sa standing. So I'm for sure magte-take down siya.
Mm.
Expect ko
Fritz,
na.
Fritz, andun na tayo doon sa pressure last time eh. Na
Yeah.
yes, behind the scenes, sinasabi nila, if you get this fight, possibly makukuha mo na yung contract eh. Ngayon ba,
Mhm.
wala yung pressure na yun heading to this fight? Kasi parang, of course, it's back to square one for you.
Yeah.
Ah,
Um, paano ko ba masabi? Nandun pa rin yung pressure. I like pressure. I like pressure.
mm,
Nandun pa rin yung pressure na syempre everyone wants to have that contract for sure.
ah, ah,
So, lagi ko yung na-expect na laging parang andyan yan ready na
yeah,
to give it to you. So, you need to put it all in yung performance mo sa laban.
yeah. So, you're telling me, important pa rin tong laban na to dahil hindi mo alam, baka nakaabang na yung contract. Kasi, you have three fights. Two of them, you won them in spectacular fashion. So you're
Mhm.
telling me na parang this fight is still important dahil hindi mo alam if you're going to put forth another spectacular performance. Baka nakaabang na yung contract na yun for you.
Pas, hindi ko na-expect for now, but maybe kapag nanalo tayo dito, for sure, ayun, kung maganda yung natin, panalo, spectacular talaga yung pagkapanalo natin, which is, that's we want, mga
Oh,
Filipino fans, alam mga Filipino
oh.
fans, that's we want. Kapag ganun siguro, for sure, the next round, the
Hmm.
next fight, for sure, ganun mangyayari ulit.
So ikaw willing ka to go the long route again?
Yeah,
Ah,
yeah, I'm willing to start all over again para syempre hindi naman agad-agad eh. Kung willing ni God na you start from the bottom again, we start from the bottom. But if
mm.
God's will na boom, andun na tayo. Let's go, let's do it.
Fritz, mas nakakagana ba na to compete? Kasi last time may kasama ka rin pero ngayon sabihin na natin kasi the word is out eh. Tatlo kayong
Mm.
magkakasama on the card.
Mhm.
Islay Bumagaw, who's fighting under Muay Thai rules. Tapos si
Mhm.
Carlos Alvarez, rescheduled yung laban niya for this one. So tatlo kayo.
Mhm.
First time yan na parang tatlong Pilipino on the same one Friday fights card. Linawin natin.
Mhm.
One
Mhm.
Friday fights card. Mas nakakagana ba yan on your part to perform? Kasi,
Oo, sobra nung kanina. Kaso dinilit mo yung post mo. Nung nakita ko yung post, sabi ko, uy,
ah,
nag-swipe
ah,
ako sa
ah,
Instagram. Na nakita ko post mo, tapos nakita ko, Islay, tapos Carlos Alvarez, parang biglang,
ah,
parang bigla ako na boost na parang, wow, I need to perform well.
ah. Sa mga kakapanood nito, baka na lumabas na yung balita na yon. Kaya for sure nakabalik na yung post na yon. Yung sinasabi ni Fritz. So,
Ah,
so, so, yun nga eh. Kasi kahit ako na nakita ko for the first time yung card. Kasi lagi ka nang message sa akin, nakita mo na yung card. Hindi pa eh, hindi ko pa until na nakita ko yung pangalan, mas nakita ko rin yung pangalan ni Carlos. Bigla sabi ko may bonus. Pagtingin ko sa taas, si Sly,
Sly.
nagulat ako. So,
Oo.
talagang, it's something to watch for Filipino fight fans.
Oo.
Of course, you like that. Kasi, maraming
Mm.
manonood na Pilipino.
Oo, for sure. Ako nga parang ako na-excite nalalo ako na-excite kasi
Mm.
nakita ko tatlo. Tapos parang
Mm.
ano pa, mga kasama ko, mga superstars. Wow.
Mm. Fritz, sa huli natin pag-uusap last December, pumunta kayo ng hotel ni Denise. Hindi lang kayo ni Denise ang nandun sa room na yun eh. Na
Mm.
sabihin natin malungkot.
Mm.
Kasi yung isa pang special na tao isang special na tao sa buhay mo ay first
Mm.
time kong nakitang umiiyak. Ayoko sabihin humahagulgol, umiiyak.
Nakita mo ba?
Naki, he was really disappointed and
Yeah.
he made that trip with you going to
Mm.
Bangkok. Umuwi siya ng
Yeah.
Pilipinas, sinamahan niya. Kasi talaga
Mm.
nag-expect din siya. He wanted to be there kung sakaling ma-award
Yeah.
sa yung six-figure contract. Of course,
Mm.
you're doing it for Denise and your future family with her. Of course, your
Mm.
family in Cavite, you're doing it for them. Pero ikaw ba added motivation you that you want to do this, you want to win this fight because of your father, Master Ray Biagdan?
Yeah, of course. Ayan. So, nung una sa lahat, syempre, papasalamat ako sa father ko kasi without him, siguro kung di niya ako tinuruan nung bata pa ako, wala tayong kid tornado ngayon.
Ah,
Ayun. So, syempre, that time talaga,
mm,
even though sa akin yung so much pressure, I still invite my dad na syempre,
mm,
if ever na manalo tayo on that contract, yun, nandun siya,
ah,
saksi siya sa mga, alam mo yun, sa mga tao na makikita na
mm,
mauwi natin yung kontrata. But,
mm,
hindi binigay sa atin eh. So, uh, may, I mean, syempre, baka siguro, hindi pa yun yung
mm,
time. Maybe next year, or di
ah,
ba? Hopefully
ah,
next year mabigay sa atin. And I know he's watching now, and I know, masabi ko
mm.
lang, thank you dad, and for my next fight, I will perform well. Yun, hindi ka makakapanood live, but I for sure will do my best para manalo.
So one of the goals in this fight is to turn that tears into smile for your father.
Yes, for sure. Yes, for sure. For sure.
Yeah. Fritz, I know it's going to be a complicated fight. Parang, ulit binalik sa'yo. Same style.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, also from the Middle East, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Uh, ano ba yan? Nakikita mo ba siya as something na a second opportunity just to remove that phobia fighting against someone with that skill set?
Yes, yes. Tama ka dyan. That's a big point na, ayun parang phobia, lalo na sa mga Filipino na always na, alam mo
Hmm.
yun, lagi tayong lagi tayong nasa pawa na wrestling. But,
Ah,
that time kasi nung last, I know that he's coming in for double leg. I know he's coming for a takedown, but
yeah.
yung katawan mo ayaw talaga walaw as
Yeah.
in. But for now, I'm 100% ready. Expect na may surprise.
Yeah. Fritz, before I let you go, ideally, how do you see this fight play out?
Okay, ito lang lagi kong na ano syempre as we showtime fighter,
Yeah.
we want a spectacular fight, we want the KO,
Yeah.
TKO finish.
Yeah.
But kung matatapos man ito ng decision, I'm for sure Filipino gonna win.
Mm, yan. Fritz, baka meron kang gustong pasalamatan na sumusuporta sa'yo all throughout your career.
Yon. So, first of all, I would like to thank God for everything that He have done for me.
Yeah.
And to all my sponsors, to all my family, Biagtan family, Karnahe family, Zamboanga family, yung T-Rex fam, T-Rex MMA gym, yung Biagtan, Team Biagtan, and sa Origins Athletics, maraming salamat sa inyo. And to all my sponsors, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, kay Kuya Nisi, thank you so much.
Grabe to. Medyo maulan yung panahon ngayon pero sana in the coming
Sobra.
days, lalo na pag napanood niyo tong interview na to, I hope everybody's safe. Yun din naman
Yeah.
siguro lalo yung mga naapektuhan ng mga kapatid natin sa Bicol region na sinalata talaga ng bagyo, of course.
Yeah.
Our hearts go out to them. Anyway,
Yes.
Fritz, maraming salamat sa oras mo. And we wish you nothing but the best on your upcoming
Yeah.
fight.
Yes. Thank you so much po. God bless. God bless.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Super Fan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest content from this show. Again, I am Missy Casiano with Kid Tornado Fritz Biagtan. Till next time.